Friends, today we learn how to use table view in Swift 4. Firstly, we select a new project, Xcode. I select a single view application and select a new. Give an application name, demo table view. We select a language, Swift. Give a location where you save your project. I give desktop. Firstly, we make UI or designing a UI part. I select a storyboard for designing. This is our view controller screen for designing. I have a take a table view and set some constraints on table view. It's, after that, I have to take a cell on table and taken some other control like uh, take a label for showing the data. On this label I have set some other constraint is leading, trailing, top, bottom. Okay, and set a delegates on table. One more thing, I have taken a new class. It's a UI table view type of class, demo UI table view cell. Set UI table view cell, demo table view cell, and take a connection on label. Content. So, on view control class, I have a adopt table view delegates. In UITableView data source, we have a two compulsory method to implementation is a UI table view number of rows in section and cell for row index path. I have take a one array to show data in table view. Now I have taken a static data to show data on table view. And then I iterate array. Mm, return cell cell dot lvl. Wait, wait. Set our identifier on UI server. Run our application on Storyboard. It's take a time for running because Xcode is very heavy application or it's taken a time. So if any query about application related, so please comment on comment box and please subscribe my channel and like my videos. I have This is our first video. I will upload more application for covering more topic. So subscribe my videos and here on my table view show on my table view showing data from arrays demo 1. uh, I have repeated my demo 1 demo 1, so here show demo 1 and after demo 2 and demo. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channels and like my videos. Thank you so much.